Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to paint a still life, and as you can see I have started coloring my objects. So yeah, start with the base color first and just try to match the colors. I'm just painting a cucumber right now and an apple. So yeah, I'm just painting its base first. So for the base color I'm just using shades of green and yellow. So far I have used permanent green and permanent light green and Indian yellow, and now I'm using sap green. I'm just blending the base color. You can see how I'm blending the colors so that you won't get the hard edges. You need to be very quick. Now I'm using olive green and I'm just trying to match the color as it shows in the object, and I'm just creating a beautiful blend of different colors. And now I'm using even darker color on the top. You can use sap green and you can mix Prussian blue in that, so that you will get the darker shade of the green. And now I'm just trying to lift off the colors to create the highlights. You can use dry brush to just lift off the colors to create your highlight. And again I'm just spraying some droplets to create a unique texture. Now we'll follow the same process to paint the apple. Just start with the lighter shade. So I'm just starting with the yellow color first. And then I'll blend red color along with the yellow. So you can see how I'm blending these colors. I'll use even darker red on the edges to give it a volume. This is how you can paint your base color. And now I'm just lifting off the color to create a highlight here. You can see how I'm lifting the color using dry brush. And just spraying some droplets to create a unique texture. And again, I'm just trying to create some texture here while my paper is half wet and half dry. So that's how you can create your texture. And I'm again going back to the apple, and I'm just painting the eating area here. So always start with the light color. As you can see here also, I'm using the light color because watercolor is a transparent medium, so make sure you always use the light color first and then go darker and darker. You cannot use the darker color first and the lighter shade after that, because it's a transparent medium, you know. I'm just adding some texture here on the wet wash. So yeah, I'm almost done with the base color of an apple also, just lifting off the paint to create some highlight here. And I'm again spraying droplets with my fingers to create some texture. I find this technique is a very useful. You know, it gives you a very different kind of texture which you cannot paint actually. So just experiment with this technique. You know, just paint your object and try to spray some droplets and see how it reacts on the paper. I'm again lifting off the paint to create the highlight. You can see these highlights here. I'm all doing on this wet on wet surface. It's still wet, you know, but not very wet. It's like a half wet and half dry. It's just shiny, and the base color has some moisture. You can use dry brush to lift off the paint to create some highlights. You know, now you can see my cucumber is taking a shape. And now once now I'm just doing my second layer on the apple once the first layer dries. Just adding a few darker value on the edges, so it gives you a volume. You know, just trying to add some minor details as well, and I'm just trying to blend these colors here. Yeah, so I just blended this darker red, and I'm just painting some minor details now. Now again I'm just spraying some droplets to create some unique texture. This kind of texture you want to get using your brush. So just experiment with this technique, you know. This is one of my favorite technique while doing watercolor. And I'm just trying to add some darker shade to create some volume there. You have to create the volume, otherwise it will look like a very flat, though the both objects are like round, so it should give you an illusion of the round shape. And yeah, now I'm just trying to add my second layer on the eaten part there, and I'm just trying to add the texture. Yeah, once this is done, I'm just painting the shadow on the cucumber, you know. I'm just adding the darker color, and after that I'll just blend this color. Yeah, just add some more texture. And now I'm just playing with these colors, so you won't get the hard edges. I'm just trying to make it a bit darker, so can match with the actual color. And again, I'm just spraying some droplets with my finger. And now I'm just doing fine detailings, because it's almost complete and we just need to paint the minor details. I'm just adding a few darker shade on the edges. And just trying to paint some texture using dry brush. I'm just adding, the darker shade on the edges, so it can give you an illusion of round shape. And after that, once you're done with your main object, you can just simply paint the shadow. I'm just painting their shadows now. So I'm using a darker shade for this shadow. Yeah, that's how you can paint a still life. just start with your base color and just keep adding the texture and keep adding darker value to create some volume. Lift off the color to create the highlight, and then just paint the shadow. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Just don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the notification. And yeah, feel free to share this video with your friends as well. And now we are done with the painting here. I'm just adding a few, texture, the final texture. Yeah. So see you in the next video, and bye bye.